This video we are going to see how we can write the list commands of Redis in Node.js. So for that, let's move to our code editor. So I will cover these commands. So let's start with our basic command RPUSH to create and one list. So for that, we just need to get our Redis client, and then simply we need to write RPUSH. So now you need to give a key, because Redis is all about a key and value. Value can be your any data type. Here we are working on the list. So now first start with the key. So I will be creating a country, and after that, once all the elements are pushed, I want to check. So we need to just get a callback function. So let's first create a callback function and do a console, so that we can check what the callback result is providing us. Let's write our push result and now give a result. Let's write some countries inside that. I will be writing US, UK, then we have okay. Now let's save it and let's see what NodeMon is giving us. So you can see it is giving us the length of our array or our list. So here we have three values: US, UK, France. So it is giving the result as a 3. So this is an RPUSH command, and now I want to show you LPUSH. Now suppose there is a requirement like I want to push the element in the starting of a list. So for that we just need to replace R with L, and now just give a one country. So I will comment on this one because otherwise it will create another entry in my list. Now let's save a file. Let's see what it is printing. The output will be 4 because I just entered the one value and 3 values were already there. Elements were already there. Now check. To check what is the length of our list, simply we can give the length, and here we have to only give our key. Again, commenting this one, I don't want to create a re-entry. Let's see, it's giving me the 4. Let me change this so that will not get confused. Here length result is 4. Now I want to check what all the values are present. For that, just copy the out command and change it with LRANGE. Now with LRANGE, we need to give the start and the end point. So for that, we'll have one start point as a 0 indexed, and if we know the length of our array, see it is 4, so the index starting with a 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will give a 3 and now do a save. You can see our values printed: Spain, UK, US and France. Now suppose I don't know the length, so for that, instead of 3 I can give a -1, because in list -1 is considered to be the last element, index of the last element in the list. So in this I will change this to LRANGE and now do a save, and you can see our length is 4 and value is Spain, US, UK, France. Now I want only two, Spain and the US. So for that, it will, my Spain is at 0 index and US is at 1 index. So just change it to 1 and do a save. You can see that 0 is printed and 1 is printed. So now if I want to enter an element in between the another two elements, so for that So for the LInsert, now suppose I want to insert another country before the UK. So for that we have to write the similar value UK, and then we need to give our element. So I want to push Germany. Now there will be the one more parameter which you are going to tell the LInsert that I want to insert it before. So simply you have to give before and then do a command. So once you do a save, let's see what it is going to print. It has given me the result as 5. So we'll copy this command again. I will change it to LInsert and I will comment these two. I will also comment because I don't want a re-entry. Now let's do a save, and here I need to give a -1. So you can see now that Germany is before UK. Now what if I wanted another country after UK? So for that I just need to change it with after, and here I can give another country, Poland. Now let's do a save and check what is the value, and you can see now we have one left with the two commands, which is LPOP and RPOP. So it is used for removing the elements from your list. So LPOP is going to remove it from the left, whereas RPOP is going to remove it from the right side. So for that, let's write Redis LPOP and then just give a key. So by default, it is going to remove I will then give a comment. Now let's see what it's going to remove. LPOP. So it has removed the Spain from our list. As I told, it's going to remove it from the left side. So it has removed the Spain from our list. Now let's rewrite it in the better format so you will be able to see what. Now you can see again US is removed and the value Germany, UK, Poland, because I had not commented this line of code and rerun the file, so it has did a 2 entries. Okay, now we'll again comment this and we'll move to our next command, which is RPOP. Let's write these, copy these commands, uncommenting this one, and RPOP. So it's going to remove it from the right. So France will be get removed. RPOP is going to remove the element from the right side. So it's going to remove this France from our list. Let's do a save, and you can see France is being removed. Let me do this, and LRANGE is giving you the output as Germany, UK, Poland, as France is removed. So that's all for this lecture. We'll now going to start the set command in the Redis.